Good day mga ka-Access Grinders. Update tayo for today no December 21. This is Saturday. Okay, so let's go to AXS price. Currently ang lahat ng crypto natin ay bumagsak. It deep Bitcoin deep below deep below 92 no. So medyo mataas 'yun. From $108 to 92. So malaking but nakakabawi na slowly ang ating crypto. So start with AXS. Currently ang price ng AXS natin ay $6.44 na merong increase of 4.83% within 24 hours. And going to our bounty boards, okay, daily bounties under standard premier or standard board. So Atia 10 points, all good. Classic for 35 points, all good. And then Origins 35 points is also good. Meron na tayong total of 400 points na may estimated earnings na 0.12 AXS. Now moving to our Premier. Okay, so Premier, we got 12 points for crafting any rune under Origins. We got 100 points for winning one Cursed Coliseum under Classic. And 12 points for crafting 4 items under Origins. So for the whole week, we already have 659 points. And na-miss natin itong isang araw na to, no? So naging busy lang. But we do have an estimated earning of 0.29 AXS. Base sa status this coming Monday, okay, wala tayong premier ticket for this week. So wala na naman tayong access dito, no? So as you can see here, ayan, kulang pa ng around 600 or 500 plus para makakuha ng ticket. Well, anyways, let's go to our AXS staking. So same pa rin ang AXS natin. Ito ay nasa 30.515 and current price niya ngayon is $196.65 and we have a claimable rewards of 0.0571881 na makukuha natin this coming Wednesday. So yun lang yung update. Follow for more.